Guys, I have no school today. I will probably make another video. It's a part 2. Is Stickman video. And a fight. Or zombie fight. And the humans. And the Stickmans will win. Not the humans, the Stickmans. I'll show you what I'm doing today. Yeah. Or tomorrow. I don't know, I school na. Sabi ko buka kahapon. May titigil ako. Pwede ko barahin yun, guys. Yun lang. Guys, pwede na yun. Wala kaming pasok. Pwede ko mag-upload. Delete ko na yun. Sige. Delete ko na. Bye. Wait lang.